How to activate followers options on your Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Here, click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then click on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Here, click on Settings. After you're in the settings, scroll down. You will find followers and public content and how people find and contact you. First, click on how people find and contact you. Here, who can send you friend requests? Click on it. Select friends of friends and save. Then go back, click on followers and public content. Here, who can follow me at the top? Select public and press on save. And after you do this, you're good to go. You can go to your profile and people will be able to follow you instead of sending you the friend request. This is how to activate followers options on your Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.